In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Hotmail account to Outlook in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page to begin the process. Open up a web browser and navigate to the Outlook login area at Microsoft. Once there, you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on Sign In, you'll need to enter your Hotmail email address and the associated password to access your account. This first step helps to ensure that your identity is verified and you are indeed the owner of the account that you wish to update. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Outlook homepage. This is the central hub for managing your emails, calendar, and other productivity tools that Outlook offers. Familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already, as this will become your new email home base. Next, locate your profile icon or name, which is generally found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will give you access to a drop-down menu. Select Profile from this menu, which will take you to the page where you can manage personal information related to your account. With the profile now visible, there's one more step which involves visiting the Microsoft account home. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft account link in your browser. This section is where broader aspects of your Microsoft account are managed, not just email. Once you're at the Microsoft account home, look for the section labeled Your Info. To proceed with the update, click on that. Your info is a crucial area because it contains vital details about your identity and contact information associated with the account. After navigating to Your Info, direct your attention to an option that says Email Address. Clicking there allows you to see options for updating or verifying your email address. Here you might be prompted to add an Outlook address or verify the current one if it's already been converted. Confirm the changes you have made and that's it. Now your Hotmail address should be effectively updated to Outlook. You now have access to all the streamlined features that come with Outlook within the Microsoft ecosystem. I hope this guide was helpful in transitioning from Hotmail to Outlook. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your upgraded email experience.